welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I want to show you how I make healthy smoothies for myself and for my kids. But before I get into that, I want to talk to you about what I've been putting in my smoothies these days. So I have in front of me the Beauty Butterfly Collagen by Teami, and this basically helps your hair, skin, and nails. So I've been trying this out with my smoothies. I've only been trying it for 3 days now, so I can't really tell you too much about my results, but I do want to come back and tell you more about my results once I've tried it a little bit longer and can really see a difference. And I also got this cute little tumbler to put my smoothies in, which is very convenient. I love this tumbler, and I actually have to fight my daughter for this tumbler now because she loves it. I actually let her pick out the color and she thinks it's hers, so we have to share. I have to share this with her. But yeah, a little bit about the collagen. It is made with wild caught marine collagen, and it's blended together with beauty boosting superfoods, butterfly pea flower, and acai berry to achieve the perfect blend. They don't use artificial colors, GMO, gluten, dairy, antibiotic, mercury, or heavy metals, which is one of the reasons why I was drawn to this product. I really love that it's natural, and if I can get a choice between an artificial product and a natural product, of course I am going to go with the natural product. So I'm very excited. You know, this is a hair channel. I'm very excited to try this because I'm really, want to continue my hair growth. I want to make sure my skin is glowing and that my nails look good. And I feel like hopefully this will give me that. And not only that, this is my last year in my 30s, guys, so I need to make sure that I'm taking those extra precautions just to make sure that I am moving along in age gracefully, right? So yeah, if you want to give this collagen a try, make sure you use my discount code. It's natural25. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, and I'll also put it down below because who doesn't want to save some money, right? So yeah, guys, so now I'm just going to show you how I make my smoothies. And the easy and best thing about this is it's a powder and it has a scoop inside. All you have to do is basically scoop 1 scoop into your drink, smoothie, coffee, tea, water, whatever it is that you're drinking. I would probably recommend drinking it with a smoothie only because it does have this fishy smell to it. And I would compare it to sea moss, right? When I put the sea moss in my smoothies, it also has this fishy kind of scent to it, taste to it. So once you blend it into the smoothie, you cannot taste it or smell it. Same with this powder. You cannot taste it or smell it once it's in the smoothie. So you still get the great tasting smoothie with the extra added benefit. All right, guys, now that I've shared with you my Teami secret, on to how I make my smoothies. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time that I post a video. All right, guys, keep watching. So on to how I make my smoothies. I always start my smoothies off with a handful of spinach or kale or whatever type of greens I have on hand. And then I start to layer the fruit on top. So for this smoothie, I'm going to be using banana, blueberries, strawberries, mangoes, mandarin, apple, and my powdered Beauty Butterfly Collagen. I do like to mix my fruits, so I don't always use the same fruits. I may throw in some raspberries one day. I may not use a banana another day, so I guess it just depends on what I'm in the mood for. Either way, I like to make sure I put a good amount of fruit in my smoothie because I do like for my smoothies to be sweet. And I don't always use frozen fruits. Sometimes I do use fresh fruits, but I find it to be easier to use the frozen fruits. It gives the smoothie a nice kick, and it also makes the smoothie feel like it's a cool, refreshing drink. Now that everything is in, I like to add some almond milk to my smoothie. And now it is ready to blend. Now my smoothie is ready and it is delicious. Now I have prepared the same smoothie for my kids, minus the collagen, but they normally like what I like, so I put the same ingredients in their smoothie. Yeah, so it's a nice, quick, and easy, healthy drink for them to drink, especially for when you know your kids are very picky and don't want to eat their vegetables. It's nice to get some greens in their system. Is it good? So tell mommy what you think about your smoothies. Are they good?
Banana, oranges, and strawberry and blueberries are yummy. Mommy. Can you put blueberries in the smoothie? Then
I did put blueberries in there.
Okay. But I don't taste it.
Is it good?
Yeah. What taste it?
Do you taste the spinach?
Spinach is in there? I don't like spinach.
But can you taste it? It tastes yummy, right?
Well, I don't like spinach because spinach makes my life. I don't like spinach. Yeah. Spinach is strong and healthy and the spinach. Fine, I'll have spinach, okay?
Well, you were having spinach.
But the spinach is going down.
That's right. It's all mixed in, but it's delicious, right?
Mommy, everything's mixed in. Because you mixed it in.
So you give it a thumbs up?
Yeah. Yeah,
Right.
so good. Bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And press that button down. And do a thumbs up. And we see you in the next video. Bye.